Hello, here we are in Mailingboss by Builderall. I want to show you that in one email sequence, I just noticed that one of the emails, number 6, has been blocked. So it's not sending anymore. And Builderall doesn't notify you. I don't know for how long it's been blocked. I don't know anything. I just found out today. And Builderall expect respect, but it doesn't respect its own customers. It will block the email at will for whatever reason they have. We don't know, and we don't know when it happens. They don't notify the customer. He has to find out by himself, see that it's blocked, and maybe contact support, ask why, ask to unblock it. I don't know, but there is no respect shown by Builderall to its customers, and they expect respect in return. But that is not how it works. They should give high respect to its customers, at least, because they don't show respect to affiliates anymore. So at least to the customers. No. So my advice now to you about Builderall is to leave them be, to boycott, because it was funny for a while, for many years, but then it has been sold and it went down and down. And it's always coming soon. Builderall 6.0, you will see, it will be wonderful. Yeah, but there are things that are not good. Here you can see, I can show you another one. Well, okay, so this one is really bad because they don't notify the customer that one of the email in the sequence is blocked. I want to show you, for instance, this one. See the ordering. You have email 5, email 8, email 11, email 14. Why is that? Because the order of the sequence, we should be in chronological order. It should be the first email being sent, then the second one. No, it's about what is written here. After subscribe 1 day, after subscribe 2 days. But then here you have after subscribe 0 hour, after subscribe 1 hour. So this one, RPM leads email 1, should be the first because it is 0 hour after subscribe. So it's upon subscribe is the first email. The second email is 1 hour after subscribe. So it should come second, not this one which comes 1 day after subscribe. So you see, very simple things like ordering the email display in sequences. I mean, I have mentioned this already in the past, months ago. They didn't do anything about it. So it's not that they are not aware of it, because they should be themselves aware of it. I mean, these things, I shouldn't have to report it. The one who coded, the developers, or the one who watch what the developers do, the one who approve the release of this code, the quality control should have already fixed it. No, it's not fixed. I report it after a while, and many months after, still nothing has been done. And if you confront them, first they will say that, oh, you understand, we don't have time. We have priorities. But secondly, they will say, you are negative. You are talking negatively. You should have a positive light about Builderall. As an affiliate marketer, you should always tell lies. Everything is nice. But the reality is that they don't show respect to nobody. Not the customers, not the affiliates, not anyone. And they expect respect out of fear to be banned from their platform. But they have to understand something. If they ban you, then they will have a shitstorm, because then there will be no fear at all. Maybe I have a little fear that they ban me, but you know what? You could ask me, what are you still doing on Builderall? Why do you keep your account, etc. I have no good reason to give you. I should already have left, because it's enough is enough at some point. But let's say that I don't know. I cannot say I don't care. Maybe that's the reason. Maybe I'm waiting for them to ban me. I don't know the reason. I cannot answer this question. But it's a good question. What are you still doing? Just move on, etc. But I will not move on. I mean, if even they ban me, I will still spend some time talking about it, because it's funny. I have to do videos, for passive traffic. So why not on this topic? But here in this video, I was just showing you something real. You see, there is one blocked email, just one. So I guess I'm lucky to have one random email block in one sequence only. and I have not been notified by it. I just found out. Why did I find out? Because other people are complaining on groups that other emails in their RPM leads follow-up sequence have been blocked. I think it was this one. I mean, they showed this one. Maybe they have others, and they say why, I don't understand, blah blah blah. So I went in my own to see if they have blocked the same email, and no, they haven't blocked. But then I found out in another sequence I have a random email blocked, number 6. I don't know why. They don't tell you why. They don't tell you that they block it, so they won't tell you why. Also, you need to inquire on the support. But I don't care, you know, whatever. I mean, for this, you know, I'm moving to another. In fact, I had moved already. I moved back in Builderall because each time, you know, I'm stupid. I still believe their lies. So when they say, oh, it's good now, we have Mailingboss number 5, or I don't know, with a new version. So I say, okay, let's move back here. But then I've prepared to move back to another one, another email autoresponder, which doesn't block emails. And even if they would block, I think they will notify me that they have blocked because there was a problem. You know, normal, standard procedure, respect of the customer, so that he doesn't find out by himself and get frustrated and contact support and get more frustrated after. So that's my take on this. Nothing to say really. This is bad, but if it was only this, it would be nice. That's not the case. Bye.